please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Honorable Minister, Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, this has been extremely motivational because there is a very articulate plan on the twin balance sheet problem which the government inherited, and that is precipitated over the last 4 years because this was inherited by the government. And yesterday was a red letter day because it gave very many directions on how to solve the problems. So the recognition process in the economy is fairly intact. I think the remedial actions are underway. There is resolution to follow, and there is naturally recovery thereafter, the 4 Rs. The important thing, sir, which I'll ask you is, India is short of capital. How do we bring that capital collectively? I'm also responsible for that, to bring the capital into India to remedy these assets. There are only 2 sources. There are domestic sources, as in life insurance corporations and mutual funds, and the external sources are where we will need your help to come, and we'll come along with you to go and do the marketing and the fundraising, because we'll need a lot of capital, and there is a lot of value, sir. Like you said yesterday, very brilliantly so on CNBC, that there was fantastic value on these assets, sir. So we have to raise a lot of capital through the AIM and the AIF mode. That's my question.
Absolutely, you're right, Rana. Undoubtedly, many of these assets have big value. Who amongst us had ever imagined a Bhushan Steel giving you almost 100% of your money back? Who had imagined that the cement plant will give you probably over and above 100%, which got resolved through NCLT? And then there will be certain bad eggs where we may also lose some money. Now that's in the nature of business of banking, in the nature of entrepreneurship, that you will have some bad cases, you will have some good cases, you will have some very good cases. I think we should move on in life. And clearly capital will be required, but I can assure you capital is available in large amounts, large volumes. Frankly, this is what the world was waiting to see. The world wants to see an honest India. The world wanted to see a leader, a decisive leader who is willing to focus on integrity of systems, who is willing to ensure that our reputation in the world is of an honest nation. And today actually we can hold our head with pride and go around the world. Look at the response we will get when we say we come from India. Today India is looked at as an emerging power which is unparalleled. I don't remember in the last, at least in my 40-odd years of my memory, that I remember India ever had this kind of recognition and pole position or power influencing world decisions. I personally am witness to some of the finest moments, particularly, let's say, when we were finalizing the Paris Accord at COP21. You were there also. What kind of response the Prime Minister was getting, the beeline to get even 10 minutes with the Prime Minister, the superpowers of the world telling India and our delegation that we were going to be the deciding factor for the success of Paris. So today, in my mind, we should move out of that mindset of weakness. We have to go from a position of strength. We are running a good economy. Our macro economy is strong. The fiscal deficit is coming down regularly, and I assure you, this year there will be absolutely no slippage of fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit will be maintained and will continue in our next term of 5 years to reduce and do better. I'm not being presumptuous or arrogant. I have confidence in the people of India and their understanding that they will vote Prime Minister Modi back to give us good government for another 5 years. And I am confident that this strengthening of the macro economy, this ensuring that we have low interest rates, we have low inflation, the current account deficit has by and large been low, save and except the last quarter where oil prices affected it a little bit, but we are still half of what we inherited even in the last quarter. So in every respect, the Indian economy is strong, Indian reputation is strong, Indian credibility of leadership and our business persons is strong. Money is available. I have never found money to be a deterrent when it comes to doing good or doing development. It is we who have to go out, present our case well, money will not be a problem. In fact, I think even domestically and internationally, people are waiting to participate in the great India story.